Another holiday season upon us, and everyone knows that cost-savvy trips begin by choosing the best travel credit card. So today, we're going to show you 9 fantastic travel cards that you should apply for right now. Let's get into it. Starting at number 9, we have the MARRIOTT BONVOY Brilliant American Express card. The MARRIOTT BONVOY Brilliant American Express card is best for guests who are devoted to the brand, who can fully benefit from Platinum Elite status, which typically requires 50 nights per year and offers perks like lounge access, enhanced room upgrades, and 4 p.m. late checkouts, all subject to availability. Early in the fall of 2022, the MARRIOTT BONVOY Brilliant American Express card was reintroduced. New benefits included MARRIOTT BONVOY Platinum Elite status and an increase in the value of the annual anniversary free night award, which now costs 85,000 points as opposed to 50,000. The annual price has also increased with the changes from $450 a year to $650 a year. Every year, cardholders automatically earn 25 Elite Night credits and receive Platinum status. After the card's renewal month, you'll receive 1 free night award that you can spend for 1 night and up to 85,000 MARRIOTT BONVOY points each year. You also receive a free Priority Pass Select membership, registration needed, giving the cardholder and 2 guests access to more than 1,400 airline lounges worldwide. You can earn 6 points per dollar spent at hotels that take part in the MARRIOTT BONVOY program, and 3 points at restaurants worldwide and on flights booked directly with airlines, and double points on all other purchases. Number 8. Aeroplan Credit Card. For those who want to quickly accumulate valuable Air Canada Aeroplan miles, the Aeroplan Credit Card is the best option. Over 1,300 international destinations are served by the Aeroplan Frequent Flyer program, which has more award partners than any other reward program in the world, now 45 and growing. With the card's current offers, it's simple to rack up points quickly and board one of those numerous airlines on a reward ticket. Following the first 3 months of card use, new cardholders can earn up to 70,000 points after making $3,000 in transactions. For the first 2 calendar years of card membership, you can additionally obtain Aeroplan 25,000 Elite status with possibilities to advance this status through card usage. This card has an annual fee of only $95, and on Air Canada flights, the cardholder and up to 8 travel companions on the same itinerary are entitled to 1 free checked bag. Number 7. Bank of America Travel Rewards for Students Credit Cards. Students who intend to study abroad or travel during breaks should definitely consider the Bank of America Travel Rewards for Students. Cardholders earn 1.5 points for every dollar spent on all transactions as part of the rewards program, which is focused on travel. You can use rewards as a statement credit to pay for travel expenses, which is an easy method to lower the cost of taking a spring break trip or purchasing a ticket home. This card is perfect for students who are studying abroad because there are no international transaction fees. Cardholders have unlimited time and dollar-for-dollar redemption options, including for Amazon purchases. Additionally, this card has a longer than average special financing offer that carries no interest for 15 billing cycles, then a variable APR of 15.49 to 25.49%. A full year of no interest is an excellent way to pay off new purchases over time while avoiding interest charges. We recommend that you pay off your balance in full and on time each month. To qualify for this card, you must be 18 years or older and enrolled in a college, vocational, or trade school. Next, we have the TD First Class Visa Signature Credit Card. The TD First Class SM Visa Signature Credit Card is a good option if you're looking to travel with introductory APR. It is a distinctive introductory bonus, great rewards program, and reasonably low 14.99% variable APR helped it make our list for the best travel cards. When new cardholders spend $3,000 within the first 6 billing cycles, they can earn 25,000 miles. Typically, cards require that amount in spending over the first 3 months in order to be eligible for bonus offers. Each dollar spent on dining and travel earns 3 times as many miles under the reward program. Users accrue 1 mile for every dollar spent on any other purchase. Redeeming points for cash back, gift cards, or travel incentives is simple. In addition to offering 0% APR on balance transfers for the first 12 billing cycles, the variable APR rate is 14.99, which is considerably lower than most other competing cards, though we recommend that you pay off your card in full and on time each month. Foreign transaction costs are not charged, and the first year's $89 annual fee is waived. Next, we have Discover It miles. The Discover It Miles card stands out among travel credit cards because of its large rewards program and absence of an annual fee. With the Discover It Miles card, users can earn limitless 1.5 times miles on all purchases. But for higher spenders, Discover offers a welcome bonus that's hard to beat. It will do a mile-for-mile match of all miles earned the first year for new card members in their first year only. If you rack up 35,000 miles within the first 12 months, Discover will match you with 35,000 miles. That means the typical card holder will earn about 32,777 miles in their first year. There are no blackout periods while using the card to pay for travel-related expenses. Additionally, it's simple to convert miles into a statement credit for travel, dining, or gas purchases, or a bank account deposit. The best part is that accrued miles are kept active even after an account closure. If your account is closed, Discover will still credit you with your rewards balance. Number 4. Chase Sapphire Reserve. The Chase Sapphire Reserve is incredibly well liked among travelers because of its lavish benefits and effective reward scheme. After spending their $300 yearly travel credit, cardholders get 5 times points on flight and 10 times points on hotels and rental car purchases made through Chase Ultimate Rewards. Additionally, customers receive 3 times points for additional dining and travel, and 1 times points for all other expenditures. Even more enticing, you can sign up for Priority Pass Select, which grants you access to more than 1,000 airport lounges worldwide with free amenities like Wi-Fi, snacks, beverages, and more, and receive a statement credit of up to $100 every 4 years to help with covering the costs of global entry or TSA pre-check application fees. From renting a car to booking a cruise, the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal provides everything you need to plan a trip. Additionally, you can reserve accommodations through the luxury hotel and resort collection to benefit from upgrades at check-in, free dinners, flexible check-in hours, additional amenities, and exclusive saving. When you use Chase Ultimate Rewards to redeem your points for travel, their value is increased by 50%. For instance, 60,000 points are worth 900 when used to book travel through Chase Ultimate Rewards, including airline, lodging, rental cars, and cruises. This makes this card stand out from the competition and is a wonderful method to maximize the value of your rewards. While there is a $550 annual fee for this card, the numerous statement credits help to offset those costs. Cardholders who travel internationally are also exempt from foreign transaction fees. Number 3. Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. When looking for a rewards program focused on travel and a wide range of benefits, travelers frequently turn to the Chase Sapphire Preferred. The welcome bonus offered by this card is also very generous. If you make purchases totaling $4,000 during the first 3 months of opening your account, you will receive an extra 60,000 points. If you redeem the bonus through Chase Ultimate Rewards, it's worth up to $750 of travel. In addition to 3 times points for dining, 2 times points for all other types of travel, the reward programs offers 5 times points for travel booked through Chase Ultimate Rewards. Chase Ultimate Rewards offers a terrific option to maximize the value of the rewards program by making points worth 25% more when used for travel. Along with incentives, this card offers other practical features like a $50 yearly Ultimate Rewards hotel credit, no foreign transaction fees, and luggage and trip delay insurance. Number 2. Capital One Venture Rewards Credit Card. The Capital One Venture Points Credit Card has a ton of travel perks and rewards. So if you're planning to travel a lot anytime soon, now might be the perfect time to use the card. When hotels and rental cars are booked through Capital One Travel, cardholders receive 5 times points, and they can earn an unlimited 2 times miles for every dollar spent. By using a statement credit or by making travel arrangements through Capital One's Reward Center, you can use your points to pay for travel. The value of each point is reduced to half a cent if you want to exchange them for actual money in the form of a check. There are no foreign transaction fees for international travelers to take advantage of. Additionally, cardholders are eligible for a one-time credit of up to $100 for TSA pre-check or global entry. Additionally, you can use your Venture Rewards card to gain entrance to premium culinary events like the New York City Wine and Food Festival and the iHeartRadio Music Festival, as well as exclusive athletic and music events. At number 1, we have the American Express Gold Card. While the card comes with a $250 annual fee, it offers a number of luxury rewards that definitely help offset that cost. The annual statement credits are a significant benefit that travelers should take advantage of. Cardholders receive $100 in hotel credits when they book accommodations through the Hotel Collection with American Express Travel, as well as a $120 dining credit to offset restaurant costs, $10 per month at Seamless, Grubhub, and other participating restaurants. Enrollment is required. New cardholders receive $60,000 membership rewards points as a welcome incentive after using their new card to make $4,000 in eligible purchases within the first 6 months after card activation. Users of the American Express Gold Card earn 3 times membership rewards points on flights booked directly with airlines through Amex Travel, 4 times membership reward points on dining out and supermarket purchases up to $25,000 per year, and then 1 times after that, and 1 times membership rewards points on all other purchases when using the card. The value of membership reward points varies depending on how cardholders use them. You can use them in a number of ways, including using points to pay at a checkout at merchants like Amazon, exchanging them for gift cards or statement credits, or using them to plan a vacation. For those who enroll with the Travel Collection by Travel Leaders Group at no additional cost, in addition to the point incentives, there are also special travel benefits such as room upgrades at particular hotels and exclusive travel discounts and amenities. And that's it for today. Which of these cards do you think you'll be getting? Let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.